Hey there, YouTube enthusiasts! In this updated tutorial, we'll show you how to create a playlist on YouTube using your Android device. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the YouTube app on your Android device. Step 2. Go to the watch page of a video that you want to include in your playlist. Find a video that you love and tap on it to start playing. Step 3. While the video is playing, tap on the screen to bring up the video options. Look for the 3 dots at the top right of the screen and tap on them. Step 4. In the menu that appears, tap on Save to Playlist. This will allow you to add the video to a playlist. Step 5. Next, tap on New Playlist to create a new playlist for your video. Step 6. Give your playlist a name by typing it into the provided field. Be creative and choose a name that reflects the theme or content of your playlist. Step 7. Finally, tap on Create to complete the process. Congratulations, you've successfully created a playlist on YouTube. Now you can add more videos to your playlist and enjoy them in a curated collection. We hope this step-by-step guide was helpful to you. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy playlist creating on YouTube.